Today we're installing a brand new 6-volt starter that I got from Parts Geek at a fantastic price. Today we're installing the starter on my 63 Volkswagen. This is a rebuilt 6-volt starter that I picked up online for about 50 bucks plus a $10 cord. Can't beat that. It's an AC Delco rebuild. And what's fascinating is this car has been 12 volt since the 1980s. So apparently the original starter, 62 years it lasted. Can you believe that? Well, I can't really show you in detail the installation of putting it on, but it's fairly easy. The only trouble that you'll have most likely will be this bolt right here. This is the top bolt that goes through the engine and is accessed behind the fan shroud. Sometimes you may have trouble trying to put it on, and in that case I would suggest maybe putting a magnet or something on the back of it to hold it in place while you're getting that 17mm nut tight. It can be a bit of a challenge, but you can do it. All right, let's see if it starts with the new starter.